Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Chris. I hope you're doing well. This is unlike all the other videos. For today, I'm gonna be doing basics, basically, of shapes. So we're gonna start with types of shapes. Like, for example, the pen I'm using is mostly cylindrical. Oops, look at that. I'm almost out of ink. So this pen is like round, and it's a circle. It's a perfect circle, you know. And I think I'll start off with this, I believe. So circles or something like this that's a square, these are called geometric shapes. Yeah. So there are two types of shapes. They're geometric and, sorry, I'm just gonna have to drip that ink. So we have geometric shapes and we have organic. So the difference between these two shapes is one is man-made and one is more structural in terms of like corners and stuff. And we're gonna dive into the different types. So a geometric shape would be like a circle. I'm not that perfect, but that's a circle. It could be an oval, like an egg, or like, you know, pancake, whatever. Could be a square. Squares have to be equal on both sides. It could be a rectangle. One side is longer than the other. It could be a rhombus. It could be a trapezium. All that type of stuff that have specific and structural type of lines. And they're mainly like man-made. Whereas organic is more natural, right? If you look at the leaf, for example, I'm just gonna draw a very basic leaf right here. I mean, this is what is considered as organic because it just has its own shape. It's not specific to having equal sides or having perpendicular lines and stuff like that. If we look at our own eyes, they're organically shaped. Although you can get like an oval out of it, but it's an organic shape. Take for example types of leaves. You know, you have this type of leaf. You have oblong leaves. I used to love biology because I just loved how leaves looked like. You know, you have leaves that have serrated edges, which is super cool, by the way. Another example could be like the Canadian leaf. I don't know, I think that's it. Yeah. We also have the clouds. Clouds are have organic shapes, you know. A love heart is an organic shape. Cause it's not defined, like it has no. If you cut this in two, you'd find that it's symmetrical on this side, meaning that it's equal on both sides. Same to the rectangle, same to the rhombus, same to the circle. But if you cut an organic piece of drawing into two, it's not that equal. You find that it's like your hand. They are not the same. They may look the same, but the lines that you have, they're different. One hand might be stronger than the other. One might have a different complexion than the other. The moon is definitely organic. You know, water. I love this. Water droplets are definitely organic shapes. Cut it in the middle, it doesn't add up or merge up. So that's those are some of the differences between organic shapes and geometric shapes. And we're going to be dwelling into more of these and what comes out of them. Now the very beautiful designs that can come out from geometric shapes, and a lot of architects and engineers use these for drawings because they have to be specific. At the same time, they can be incorporated with organic shapes to make crazy designs, man. It's all up to your creativity. I'm gonna let you guys, comment below on what type of shapes you've ever drawn or have ever had a hard time drawing. Most of the people use rulers and dividers and cool instruments to get their geometric shapes in order, but with organic shapes, bro, it's freehand, yeah, so go all free, go all wild. This is one of those, let's do an educated video, and I'm gonna be experimenting with some of these to try and just flex a little bit. And I hope you guys can learn from this little bit. So have a wonderful time. I hope you're staying safe, wearing masks when you're going in public. It's a hard time, but yeah.